guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great and staying safe at home. Welcome to my channel back again. Welcome to Jyoti Verma. Guys, आज के वीडियो में we are going to see how to multiply any number with 35, 45 or 55. So in this three, the same concept is only used. Only the formula has to be different. And after watching the video, after understanding the concept, I promise you, you'll be able to multiply any number, whether it's a 10-digit number or a 20-digit number, with 5, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, even 95. This is this trick, and this easy is this concept. Just formulas have to be different. Now, let's understand this taking some examples that is going to help us more and more. Let's take 9, 6. A random example, 9642 into 35. Now, in order to multiply any number with 35, so first multiply this number with 7. I know, multiplication with 7 is a even more easier thing. You can multiply any number with 7 even more easily. So 9642, if I multiply with 7, so it would be 4, 9, 4, 7, 6, 6, 7, 4, 9, 4. सिंपल है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल है. Now once you multiply the number by 7, add a 0 in the end. एक एंड में बस एक 0 लगा दो, सिंपली एक 0. Now after you did this, you are good to go. Just divide this number by 2. Divide this number by 2. So if you divide this number by 2, then your answer would be 3, 3, 7, 4, 3, 3, 7, 4, 7, 0. Simple है. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, रहा 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 2 zeros are 0. And guys, guess what? ये जो आंसर आया है ना, ये पूरा आंसर है. This answer is of this question above. Now let's solve some more questions related to the topic so that we can get a best note of it. Now, let's take a 2-digit number. Why not? Yeah, let's practice a 2-digit number as well. 85 into 35. Now, first of all, what you need to do is multiply 85 with 7. 85 7s are 8, 595. Simple hai. Now, add a 0 in the last and then divide this number by 2. Simple. Now, if you divide this number by 2, your answer would be 2975. Even more simpler. So this is the accurate answer, guys. Accurate answer that you say of the question. This one. This was the question. For this question, this is the best answer. Now moving on, let's take another number as well. Let's take another number, 289. Okay, 289. A large number. Seems a large number, not that large. Let's try to do this with 35. For doing this with 35, all you need is multiply this number by 7. Multiplying by 7 is even more easier. Your answer would be 2023. Add a 0 in the end and then divide this number by 2. Your answer would be 2 10s are, then 2 1s are, and then 1s are again, and then 5s are. This much, this will be your answer. Simple is it? Isn't it simple? And this was the question, 289 into 35, and you got your answer 10115. Simple है ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple है. This type of questions would be very easy to solve. In order to practice this question, take some large number, take some small numbers as well, and try to solve these questions on your own. Then check it using a calculator. Your answer would be absolutely wrong. If it's coming wrong, try to understand where you did the mistake and try to improve yourself in that field. Now, moving on, let's take another example like 98 into 35. Okay. Now, first of all, if it's been multiplied by 35, multiply that number particularly by 7. 7 से multiply कर दो. Your answer would be then add a 0. Simple. Now, once you add a 0, your answer comes even easier. बस 0 add कर दो last में. Then divide this number by 2. If you divide this number by 2, your answer would be simple. And this is the answer for your question. 98 into 35. कितनी इजीली आंसर आ रहा है ना हमारा। अब एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बताऊँ मैं। अब करते हैं 85 इंटू 45। 35 वाला हम लोग पूरा ट्रिक सीख लिया। अगर 35 वाला ट्रिक इफ़ यू हैवंट अंडरस्टैंड येट, watch the replay of the video again, try the questions on your own, try solving it with me, try using all the steps and then you will master this. Now let's understand with 45 as well. ठीक है, now it's 45 means I have to multiply that number, whatever number is here, this number I have to multiply that number with 9. Simple है, just multiply this number by 9. If 85 into 9, so 85 into 9 will be 5, 5, 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5. Simple, isn't it? Okay. Now, once you get the answer, add a 0 behind and then divide the number by 2. So, your answer now would be, after this, your answer would be 3, 8, 2, 5. Isn't it simple? Very, very simple. Now, let me solve a question myself. Let's see that how much time do I take to solve this question. Let's take a 3-digit number, 963. 963. 963 into 45. So, my answer would be 86670, and then my proper answer would be 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 5. Isn't it very easy? Very, very easy. How I got this answer? What I did was, I just multiplied this with 9, added a 0 and then divided it by 2. Simple. And I got the answer, my final answer. Now, I will also let you know that what concept are we using behind this trick, so that you could be able to solve any question, whether it's 15, 5, 25, 45, 35, 65, 55, any number, or even 95. What concept are we using, that also I'll let you know in the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end of the video, so that you can understand the concept behind it and even practice better and more. Now, here, let's take another example, 268 into 55. 268, here, the answer question is not 45, here the question is 55. So, what here I have to do is, just multiply 268 by 9. 9 से multiply कर दो. Simple है ना? Just multiply this number, by 11, sorry guys, 11 से multiply कर दो. अगर आप इस number को 9 से multiply करोगे, if you multiply 268 into 9 and then add a last 0 in the end and then divide it by 2, you will get your answer for 45 का. ठीक है? And then अगर वही आंसर आपको 55 का चाहिए, 45 आपको आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, मतलब वो अगर आप वैसा करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 285 इंटू 45 का. अब 55 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है किसी भी नंबर को, तो उस नंबर को पहले 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. नाउ मल्टीप्लाइंग एनी नंबर इज इवन मोर इजियर. मल्टीप्लाइंग एनी नंबर विथ 11 इज इवन मोर इजियर देन मल्टीप्लाइंग एनी नंबर बाय 9. ओके, हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई एनी नंबर बाय 11, इसकी ट्रिक मैंने अपने चैनल पे अपलोड कर दी है. आपने देखी क्या? नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ देख लो, बिकॉज इट्स एन अमेजिंग ट्रिक दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू विद दिस लॉट. नाउ इस नंबर को अगर 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे, सो माई आंसर वुड बी 2, 6, 7, 8 एंड देन 8. सिंपल है. नाउ हियर जस्ट अ सेकेंड, 2, 9, 4, 8. Okay, this would be your answer. Now what you have to do is 55 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, इसीलिए सबसे पहले 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. नाउ एक लास्ट में 0 डाल दो एंड इस नंबर को देन 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. 2 से डिवाइड करोगे आंसर क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे करते हैं. तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 2, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 7 ज़ा 14, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 0 ज़ा 0, 14740. Oh shit. Okay, so our answer would be 14740. And guys, guess what? This is a proper answer for the question. Your question was 268 into 55. How easily did you get the answer? Yeah, I got the answer very easily. Now let's try to solve another question. इस बार 45 का करते हैं. 55 का थोड़ा टाइम बाद करेंगे, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस के बाद करेंगे. Now, if I wanna solve any question with 45, तो क्या करना है? 45 से किसी भी नंबर को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो आपको बस उस नंबर को एक और बार बता रही हूँ, 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, लास्ट में 0 डाल दो और 2 से डिवाइड कर दो। सिंपल है ना ये। यही एक नंबर एक और उठा लेते हैं, 45 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए एक नंबर और उठाते हैं। 58 इंटू 45, 58 इंटू 45 क्या होगा? 58 इंटू 45, 58 इंटू 9 का आंसर आपको 0 डाल देना है। ओके, आई नो इट। ना आप 58 इंटू करोगे तो 5 2 एंड देन आपको 0 डाल देना है एंड देन इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 कर दो, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 0 ज़ा 0, 2 6 1 0। बस 2 6 1 0 आपका एक्यूरेट आंसर है क्वेश्चन का। सिंपल था ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल था। नाउ गाइज, अगर आपको ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व करने हैं देन आप मेरी प्लेलिस्ट मैथ मैजिक ज़रूर विजिट करें, वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग प्लस इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे अच्छे ट्रिक्स हैं, तो वो आप प्लेलिस्ट विजिट ज़रूर करें। यू विल गेट अ अमेजिंग ट्रिक्स related to this topic as well as different topics as well. So now let's take 55 as our example. Now let's multiply unique number 36 into 55. Now if I do 36 into 55, first I will do 36 into 11. I have told you the trick how to multiply any number with 11 even more easily. In order to multiply any number with 11, all you need to do is take the sum of the digits. If you don't know the trick, do visit my playlist Math Magic for Vedic Maths. Multiplication tricks wali playlist. You will get there each and every multiplication trick, and if you get that, then you will be able to master this trick as well. And now if I need to do this, then what I will do is 36 ka I will multiply with 11. Okay, I'll do it. Now let me do this. So my answer will be 6 7 8 9 and 396. Simple. Now 396 mein what you will do is add a 0 in the end and then divide this number by 2. Even more simple. Now if I do this, then my answer would be 2 1 2, 1 2 9 8 10, 2 8 6 10, 0 0. My answer would be 1980. And guys, guess what? 1980 is the product. When you multiply 36 by 5 into 55, then you get the answer as 1980. It was even more simpler, right? Even more simpler. Now let's solve our one more example based on this topic. Let's take another unique number 59 into 55. Now first of all multiply this by 11. 59 into 11 would be 649 and then add a 0 and then divide it by 2. Your answer would be 3186. 3 then okay. Now guys, what is the trick that I'm using behind this? Why am I multiplying the number by 11 when I need to multiply by 55? I will tell you this. If you haven't watched my last video in which I have told you how to multiply any number with 5, any number with 25, 25 not, any number with 15, then any number with 25. Then I have also told you how to multiply any number with 35 in this video only, any number with 45 and then any number with 55. यहाँ तक का we are done. Now 5 से multiply करने का I have told you in my last to last video, 15 से also in my last to last video, 25 का also in my last to last video, and then 35, 45, 55 I told you in my this video only. In that video, if you wanna see these 3 videos, then do visit my playlist Math Magic for Vedic Math Jyoti Learns. Now if here what we were doing, we were multiplying by 10 and then dividing by 2. Here what we were doing, we were multiplying by 3 and then 0. We were adding 0 means 30. Here what we were doing, we were multiplying the same number by 50 minus 5. Here what we were doing, we were multiplying the same number with 70. We were multiplying by 7, I know, but then we were adding 0 means we were multiplying it by 70. Simple. Here what we were doing, we were multiplying by 90 and here we were multiplying the number by 110. Now where does all the numbers come and how to remember these numbers? Simple. These numbers are coming from a very basic thing, that is your addition. Addition is the very basic thing from which this number comes. If you add 5 with 5, what you get? You get 10, hai na? If you add 5 with 5, you get 10. Simple. Then multiplied by 10. If you add 15 with 15, what you get? You get 30. Simple. Then do it with it. Now let me take another pen. Okay. Now if you add 25 plus again 25, what you get is 50. If you add 35 with 35, what you get? You get 70. If you add 45 with 45, what you get? You get is 90. And if you add 55 by 55, then you get is 110. So just add the number with itself. Whatever answer you get, like you get 110. Okay, so you have to multiply the number by 11. Once you get the answer, then add up 0 in the end and then divide the number by 2. Why are we dividing by 2 here? Here we are dividing by 2 because then you have doubled up the answer, because when you multiply by अगर कोई भी नंबर को आपको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ओके, then what you do is you multiply it by 10. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया means you doubled up the number. Now you have to even take out the half digits. आधा उसको कर देना है ना, उसको आपको नंबर को आधा करना है. In order to divide a number into two equal parts, what you do is you divide the number by 2. That's why in all this trick, whether it's any 5 wala trick, you have to first add the number, then multiply it by your odded number and then divide it by 2. Divide it by 2 is the accurate and the definite thing you have to do. This simple is this trick. Now if you didn't understand again what I was actually trying to explain you, then please watch the recap of the video. You will understand it, I promise that. If you wanna multiply any number with 95, then what you will do is first 95 का डबल कर लोगे. आप 95 का डबल क्या हो जाएगा? एड अप कर लोगे 95 with 95 या फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, दोनों एक ही है. Now 9 to the 18, 99, 190. So अब अगर यहाँ पे 5 into 95 है तो 5 को पहले आप 19 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लोगे. 19 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. 90 से once you have multiplied the number, then उसमें लास्ट में 0 ऐड कर दोगे, आपका जो भी आंसर आया, एंड देन उसको बाद में 2 से डिवाइड कर लोगे और फिर जो आपका आंसर होगा वो आपका आंसर होगा 5 into 95 का. ऐसे ही सारे एंड में जो नंबर्स 5 आते हैं उसमें सेम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ होता है, सेम चीज़ आपको यूज़ करना है. जस्ट थोड़े डिजिट्स डिफरेंट रहेंगे, थोड़े फॉर्मूलाज डिफरेंट रहेंगे, कॉन्सेप्ट सब में एक ही है. दैट्स व्हाई it would be very easy to use to solve such questions. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You enjoy नहीं किया होगा, you would have enjoyed the video because in this video I have told you all the tricks, whether you have to multiply a number with 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 or 105 or 115. Okay, that is so simple now. After watching the video, do practice the trick at your home so that you can get a better hold of the trick, and do let me know in the comments below how did you feel the video was. And this was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me meet in our next video. Till then, take care, tata, and bye bye.